Okay, welcome America, welcome India, and welcome Taylor Swift. Today we are going to be doing a similar triangle problem where we have to look at the sides and see if they're proportional. The question says, the question says which triangle is similar to triangle ABC? So, we've got some triangles and we don't really know which sides correspond to which sides yet. In the previous slide, this slide right here, all the triangles were in the same orientation. They were all facing the same direction. So you can tell the shortest side was on the left here. Here's the shortest side. Here's the shortest side. This one, these have been flipped around a little bit. So let's go ahead and start. The shortest side in this triangle is BC, right? 14. So the shortest side in this triangle is going to be 17.5. So the 14 is going to correspond to the 17.5. And that's going to be one of our ratios. Now we have to see if that ratio of that set of corresponding sides is the same as the other sets. So let's go to the middle length, which is 16, and see if that is the same ratio as, where's the middle length here? 20. And then 20 should correspond to the longest side here, which is 25. Now, I don't know if those are the same or not. We're gonna find out. I'm also gonna do the other one. We're gonna check those two triangles and see if they're similar, and then we're gonna check those two triangles and see if they're similar. So, 14, the shortest side over here, corresponds to the 10.5. So you guys are checking my work, because I do make mistakes. All right, 16 should correspond to the 12. And the 20 should correspond to the 16, right? Good? Now, take out the calculator. Check them. Which one's true? Which one are these ratios the same, or are these ratios the same? 20 divided by 16, is that the same as 16 divided by 12? Is that the same as 14 divided by 10.5? What do you think, Sophia? This one. Did anyone else get that on the calculator? Okay, so which triangle is similar to triangle ABC? I don't think I can select it there, but maybe I can select it on my computer here. Yes. Okay. Now it's asking, now that we have decided which two triangles are similar, what is the scale factor? The scale factor, you can take any of these ratios and simplify. Okay, so on your calculator, if you went to Desmos and typed in 20 divided by 25, or 16 divided by 20, or 14 divided by 17.5. Okay, but you have to remember the scale factor is a ratio, it's not just a number. So in the last problem we did, I don't remember what the numbers are, but let's say it was a 24 over 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. The scale factor wouldn't be 2, it'd be 2 to 1. It's a ratio. Here, I'm going to do this in my head. What number is in a 20 and 25? Pretty sure that's 5, right? Knowing our multiplication times tables, which we have tests next class. So 5 is in a 20 4 times, 5 is in a 25 5 times. So when I simplify this ratio, I should get the same ratio when I simplify 16 to 20, and the same one that when I simplify 14 to 17.5. And I get 4 to 5, which can be written like this: 4 to 5, or 4 to 5. Either one. How are we doing? Good? So if you get a question that asks, are the two triangles similar? It'll give you two triangles and asks if they're similar. You need to check their sides and see if the sides are proportional. And this is the way to do it. You can use a calculator.